Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is LED adversing writing boards, and let me give the overall dimensions first. The unit's length is about like a 16 and 3/4 inches wide. And the overall height of the unit is almost about like a 43.5 inches tall. For the writing space, it is about like a 22 and 1/4 inches long and 14 and 1/4 inches wide. So basically, they do having a small shelvings at the bottoms, and we can see the manufacturers. They were offering some couple accessories. This is a power electric box. You can just put all the batteries and connect with the USB converter kit on the side. You can just using the board without the power electricity. And also the manufacturer offering the 110 standard converter adapters. Also, they do having the RGB, the settings. This controller, you can set in the different lights you want from this banner board. And also, they do have a box of the pen. They come with a couple of different colors. You can writing and drawing all the pictures you want. And the last important things, the manufacturer give you a small wipes for you to help you to clean all the things stuff on there. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.